Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And a quick review lang tayo regarding dito sa Galaxy P3 smartwatch. So kung nagbabalak kang bumili nito, so bili ka na dahil affordable naman ang kanyang price. So ang exact Philippine price nito ngayon ay nasa 3,490 pesos. So ang kagandahan nito, ang kanyang battery ay naglalast up po siya within 13 days on a single charge sets, and lightly on your wrist, tracking over 100 workouts and daily activities including sleep, play music, check calls, and yung pag-send ng text message. So yan yung napakagandang features nito. So pwede mo na gamitin at hindi na hassle. Gamit lang itong smartwatch ay pwede ka nang mag-send ng text message and pwede mo nang i-check yung mga notifications mo. Right? And then, slim aluminum ang body nito, as light as 18.5 grams. Rated po siya ng 580 and IP68. So kung ano bang ibig sabihin yan? So that means water and dust resistant po siya. So napakaganda. And then dito naman sa kanyang specifications ay Bluetooth B5.3 versions. On a physical specifications naman, mayroon siyang 42.9 by 28.8 by 9.9 mm. And dito naman sa kanyang memory, mayroon siyang 16 MB, and then dito sa storage ay mayroon siyang 256 MB. So dito sa kanyang display ay napakaganda. So AMOLED technology po siya, and then yung size, it's 1.6 inch, 40.0 mm, 256 by 402 sa kanyang resolutions. So dito sa kanyang color dip, mayroon siyang 16 mm. So dito naman sa kanyang sensors ay marami po siyang capabilities like accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, optical heart rate sensor, and then yung light sensors. Alright, so marami pala itong mga features. So dito sa kanyang notifications type naman, vibrate po siya. Within yung kanyang color variations, meron siyang pink, gold, gray, and silver. So according to Samsung regional reviews mga kaibigans, ay mayroon siyang 5.0 rating sa kanyang performance and yung design. Ayan, so napakaganda po. So pwede natin itong gamitin kahit saan, daily activities natin, at napaka-useful. Right, so yan yung quick reviews natin. Very affordable and useful innovations smartwatch ngayon. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.